When I have tortillas at home, I make this recipe, which is more delicious than pizza. First, I break 3 eggs here. And beat them very well. Add salt to taste. Once beaten, set aside. Next, add olive oil to a frying pan. And let's make sure the pan is well greased. Now add the beaten eggs. Then a layer of ham and the amount to taste. Place another tortilla dough, another layer of mozzarella cheese, another layer of ham, and now let's slice a tomato. And now we'll add the sliced tomatoes on top. Place another tortilla dough. And repeat the filling of mozzarella cheese and ham. I'll add another tortilla dough on top and finish with 3 beaten eggs. Once assembled, let's put it on the stove. Turn on medium heat and cover. Once it's turned over, cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes. This snack is amazing. It's better than pizza, that's for sure. And that's it, folks. Now I'm going to show you how it turned out. I'll leave you here and let me know how you rate this little recipe. There's nothing left here at home. Look how mouth-watering it is. Super quick, easy, practical, and delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.